Hey Jeremy, so thought it'd be easier to kind of walk through this with a little video instead of trying to type everything out. But here's the front page. We've got our V65 product group and V65 group right there, and then same thing on this page. So there are the two sections that are essentially the same component that's being rendered on both pages. So we've got the 2004 Merlot, and that's this guy here, obviously. So what's going on is that notice on the front page, this is the home page here. On this front one, we've got, here's this div, and then we've got our products inside of it. Same thing, where here's this with our products inside of it. So now we're to this point, these are both the same. And we're going to go down to products right here. Okay, so those divs are both the same. The next thing inside is this product slider, slick initialized, slick slider. Over here, the next thing inside is the first item. So back out here, and then we go inside, and basically our items then are in here. We'll get on, which one is this guy? Come on. There it is. So that's that item there. But what's going on is this slick track and this slick list and this product slider, all of these things are coming from the JavaScript on, so here's our class group, is homepage product group. And again, this is, it was inside of here. Product group. So they're all getting these, all these classes of slick are being added to all those elements, and these don't have that. And what's going on is over here on homepage slider function is it's right here. It's this function. So our homepage product group right here is saying, hey, if it's v65 dash product group slash product, we're going to wrap all, and we're going to wrap it in this, which is this product slider div, which is product slider right here is that div. So this is right there. It's wrapping all that business. So there's that product slider, gives it, now everything in there is getting this class of slick, I guess is what's going on. Dots are false, arrows are true, slide show 1, and the slide is going to be that. So it seems like basically this function right here, the home page slider function, is being applied through this wrap all and is getting into the slick. And what I'm thinking is maybe we can ask WineDirect to either, like, how do we copy this function essentially, just make sure we get the right parameters and be able to drop it into a page, or be able to run it on the home page but with a different class for whatever featured products or the different product group that needs to go there. But essentially this guy right here is making this whole div and then wrapping everything inside of it. I hope that's helpful, but that's definitely where these two paths on these things diverge, because here's our V65 group, next div in is the group products. Same thing, next div in here is group products, and then we get this guy. So it's gotten wrapped into this wrap all function, getting stuck into this div, and here's where that content's being rendered essentially. And it's running through the slick. So I hope that is a better lead than what we had previously. Like, I could mess around trying to copy and paste and replicate that, but I I think that that might be something WineDirect could just throw down in a few minutes. Yeah. Okay.